In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-customers in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up sub-customers so you can track income and expenses by project, location, or any subgroup that makes sense for your business. Let's start inside QuickBooks Online on your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical navigation menu. From this menu, click on Sales. This is where QuickBooks keeps everything related to your customers, products, and sales transactions. Once the sales page loads, look toward the top of the screen and select the Customers tab. This opens your full customer list, which is the foundation for creating both regular customers and sub-customers. Next, we'll create a new customer that will become a sub-customer. On the Customers page, look for a green button that says New Customer. Go ahead and click that. This opens a customer information window where you'll enter the details for the new sub-customer you want to create. In this customer information window, start by filling in the display name. The display name is how this sub-customer will appear on your invoices, reports, and inside your customer list, so make it clear and consistent with the naming structure you already use. You can also add other details here, like the company name, email, billing address, or phone number, depending on how much information you want to track. The more accurate your customer details are, the easier it will be to manage your records later on. Now, this is the key part that turns a regular customer into a sub-customer. Look for the checkbox that says, Is a sub-customer. Click to check that box. As soon as you do, a new drop-down field labeled Parent Customer will appear. This is where you tell QuickBooks which main customer this new entry should be grouped under. Open the Parent Customer drop-down and scroll through the list until you find the main, or parent, customer you want to link this sub-customer to. Click on the correct parent customer. Take a moment here to double-check that you've linked it to the right one, because this is what controls how your transactions and reports will be organized. Once everything looks good and you've verified the details and the parent customer, you're ready to finish up. Click the Save button at the bottom of the window. QuickBooks will add this new entry to your customer list, and you'll now see it listed underneath the parent customer as a sub-customer, ready to use on invoices, estimates, and reports.